Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we have quick release semi-rigid saddlebags for the Indian Scout. So the first thing I think about when I see these is just that they're very sleek.
And these are our lock and ride, so they're on and off in a matter of seconds. So if you want to go somewhere packed up, you do that. You get there and you want to get light, pop these off, you put them in the corner of the garage, and you go on your little Scout cruiser and have a great day. Cool thing about this is we open these from the front, not from the side, so we don't have any seat interference anymore. So this bag will actually fit with any seat that you have on your Scout motorcycle. So if you look at the bag here, where the bag opens, we actually have a trough where the water will sit and run out the front of the bag. As with anything, when you tour, if you think you're going to run into some rain, you typically will put your stuff in some plastic just to be safe. These are $7.99 compared to our leather bags, which are close to $1,000. So it's a way more reasonable offering.
I love these bikes.
So much fun, huh?
They're really fun, they're really nimble, and they're quick. The addition of the semi-rigid bags makes it very capable as far as a touring bike goes. You're able to fit all kinds of stuff in here. I've got a pair of boots, I've got a jacket.
Yeah, and I mean, they're quick release too, right? So you pop off and put them in the corner garage if you don't want to carry extra stuff, but I mean, they look so good in the bike. Why would you want to take them off?
They really fit well and it complements everything nice, and really, you know, once you've had a bike that has saddlebags on it, it's really hard to go back to a bike that doesn't have them.